Okay, this is a review for hose loading or pre-connects. It's been a while since we did the class, so first thing to start off is the stinger should be at the full length it can be in the hose bed. That's starting, and firefighter Walsh will start. So we got the first section loaded. So you start in the rear, start loading straight across. When you get to the front, we'll make a dump loop, hand width, right there, and then we'll just keep loading back and forth on a flat load.
Dump loop.
So this will go back for 50 feet.
Carly, keep that on the front end. There you go. I'll move.
So we're coming to the end of the hose. We got to make a decision. Like we all know, the coupling needs to fall in the halfway point.
Hold.
So we'll attach the second 50-foot section. We're going to make a 7 to 8 inch loop on the back side, the back toward the rear of the pump. So like I said, our goal is to get that coupling in the middle. So we've decided Carl's going to make his loop on the back side, and then Casey will follow with the loop on the front. It could, if it's shorter,
Pick up a little slack.
if it's shorter, then we'll definitely make the loop on the front first.
Okay, I gotta make mine.
So that's what's happened. We've stoled off the bottom. We don't really care if the flat load doesn't go all the way to the back. We just want these loops and the coupling in the right position.
Hold for a sec.
So it takes a little bit of planning to get this right.
Yep. You make your 7 to 8. There's 7.
So we have that coupling underneath there. Then we'll load straight, load on top of this back side 50 feet.
Break.
The bites of the hose should be even with or 1 inch out of the hose bed for ease of deployment. So it's usually about three stacks on each 50-foot bundle on these flat straight loads. So we're at the end again.
Okay, hold for coupling.
Once again, that coupling needs to be in the center, so we're going to make the decision whether Carl makes the 14 to 16 inch loop on the back side, or we make it here in the front. Looks like it'll go in the back. Do the far side loop first, and that'll drag that coupling right in the middle.
Okay, drop down. Drop down. Your 14 to 16.
So that coupling, we just drop it right down. Once again, if you need to steal off the other side, it's okay. It's the most important thing is that coupling in the middle. It's got to be at least 12 inches back from the front side of either side of these beds. So it'll be about 3 bites, and then when we finish this off, it doesn't really matter which side the nozzle's on. It's a 50-50 shot on which side you're going to be stretching from anyway. So what we don't want to do is we want to eliminate all Dutchmans. So it looks like the nozzle will end up on this side.
Hold for nozzle.
And we just want a nice clean hose when the firefighter pulls that stack out. He's not getting an extra 5 feet of Dutchman to compromise the stretch.
Okay.
So there you go. Nozzle's flat. No more turning on its side. It's all flat. So there you go. There's a little review of loading the 1 3/4 pre-connect.